Hi ladies, my name is Luba and I'm a beauty consultant with Mary Kay. Today I have a special guest with me here. He'll be appearing in the background and I wanted to show you how I do my makeup when my baby is running around in the background, because you can definitely do it. And I have a couple of tricks. They don't work every single time, but a lot of times if I can't get my makeup done before he wakes up from either a nap or in the morning, I do it when he's around. So it's nothing crazy, it's quick. And the first thing is have at least one or two kind of musical things that he can play with. So I have a little train that plays music and then a little piano that he can also play music on. He likes to dance to it, and so he entertains himself going from one thing to the other. He also loves suitcases, so I have suitcases back there that he can play with and entertain himself with. Okay, so let's get started. And you get to hear all of the noises that he's making in the back, because he's just, yeah, he's gonna continue doing that. Okay, just keep it simple if you don't have a lot of time to begin with. And I am missing a brush already. Here we go. So my foundation is already done. I didn't show my foundation, but if you want to see how my foundation is done, check out a video from last week when I talked about foundation. So this first color goes just on the lid, inner corner, and a tiny bit under the eyebrow. This is like, I do this every single time. You should probably know it if you've seen any of my videos. Okay, so another trick is to have toys and things that he can play with when he's right next to you and he's trying to get in and try to grab stuff off the table. So I have some of his toys, and then I have also an old cell phone that he can play with that he also likes. That should keep him entertained for just a little bit, but not very much. So I'm going to take Lavender Fog. Is this really pretty lavender, but very light lavender color. And I'm just going to go here and I'm going to start in the crease, kind of like putting it on like with a paddle motion. And then I'm going to bring it in over the middle of the eye, but I'm not really going into the center, towards the inner corner. He's making a mess if you can't tell. What I really want is this kind of like a fake smoky eye, which is like a super quick version. And then when I do this motion, I just bring this under my eye so that it will connect and it will continue. So this is a really pretty color. And then I'm going to do a little bit, I'm going to use my smudger brush. I'm going to do a little bit under my eyes. I just want it to be kind of seamless, and I want a little bit of a shadow under my eyes from the eyeshadow. And actually today I'm doing my eyeliner in a eyeliner pen like this. What's up? Okay, what else can I give you? I don't want you playing with keys. How about this? This has like a sticky side, so he can play with that. So you can hear him how often he comes back over here. Before I move on to the next thing, I'm going to add just a tiny bit in the, like literally just here in the corner of my eye. I just want like a little bit of a shadow. And this is an older eyeshadow. We don't have it anymore, but we have one very similar. It's got like bronzy and don't go in there. No. Like bronze purplish tones. So we'll pick up from the clothes that I'm wearing. And at the end I'm just blending it in with what I was doing earlier with Lavender Fog color. And so again, I'm just blending it. And then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm going to blend everything out together if I can find it in time. There we go. Stuff flies and like goes around everywhere. Is this what you want? just gotta reach for it with your foot. There you go. That's a toy. Okay, so I'm just blending the edges out. Okay, this is a difficult part. You gonna let me do it? You want me to pick you up? You want a dance party? Now he's dancing. Dance party! I can't sing for you, I'm sorry. Okay, how about this box? I also have random boxes here that he can try to open and that can entertain him for a little bit. Okay, so this is the eyeliner, so I'm going to focus and get this done. I think he's chewing on it. Okay, so one eye is done and he just got behind my table and actually have to move things, and I'll be right back. Around and trying to get it done. And hopefully this will be like 10 minutes and not too long. Okay, so I'm doing a very simple eyeliner. What I did was basically just follow my natural lash, my natural eye shape. And I'm using this pen, which has like the sharpest edge, so it's really easy to really draw a thin line, and so I love that about it. I'm gonna do a little bit of the bronzer because that's all I have time for today, and this is the bronzer that I'm using. It's really beautiful, and I almost just dropped it. No, don't grab things here, please. Nope. And I think today will be just bronzer, and that's it, because I don't think I'll have a chance to do anything else. Okay, so to make your nose skinnier, go a little bit on the nose, and then here at the temples, kind of in the corner, so you make it like a shape of a 3 under the chin. Okay, and then I am going to do a little bit of a highlighter. Actually, the biggest tip I can give you is if your baby is distracted by something and you can like see it kind of from the corner of your eye, so they're not watching, they're not about to come over and they're not watching what you're doing and they're distracted by whatever they're doing, pick up whatever is the hardest thing. Like for me, it's mascara. You can see just all on my face. Pick up your hardest thing to do that you need all of your attention, and do that. Okay, and now you're back. And now he's back. Also, I should probably tell you a disclaimer. He just woke up from a nap recently, so he's still pretty happy. He's generally a happy kid, like he's pretty good. So if you have a very difficult baby or a baby that's really, really busy, just look for more distractions, and just you'll just have to get up. So if he's like super fussy and I really have to get out the door and I need to do my makeup, now he's under the table. Where's that fishy? What is it doing? So my mascara is done, and now I just have my lipstick. So today I'm going to wear a lip liner in Rose. I just need to make sure my lips are a tiny bit dry. I hope that you find this encouraging, and that you can do just about anything you want to as well. And having a baby does not mean that you need to let go of yourself. And most importantly, you need to take care of yourself so you can be better for them. When I look better, when I have a little bit of makeup on, I feel better. I feel like overall, you know, putting in an effort for my husband, for my family, for me to be better as a person is so important. And this is one of the prettiest lipstick colors. It's called Love Me Pink. It is so pretty. It doesn't have a shimmer, so it's just like a perfect nude pink. It's literally like a Barbie pink. I feel like it's really good. I think I'm done. Hi. Mwah.